beautiful souls. I have created four house purse bags for four special girls, my grandgirls. They were actually created for this past holiday, and I recorded it so that I can share it at some point. And it's funny how the holidays are almost upon us again. Now, the base of all the bags were made with 100% cotton canvas material. I did not put any sewing skills to use. Everything has been hot glued really, really well. The roof was attached with fusible webbing, as was the door and windows. As you can see, I used various trims and lace trims along with appliques and satin fabric flowers. To me, all the house purses look like a cottage in the country. On the back, it also has a roof attached with fusible web. I left it simple with just one window trimmed with lace curtains. I added a simple handle. This trim was gifted to me by my friend Ida from Created to Create. Thank you, sis. She shared quite a bit with me. The trim is actually named GIMP. Another name is Chinese braid. I folded it over to cover the edge. And it's quite spacious, as you can see. I ended up putting some goodies in it. When I put this together, I kind of did like an assembly line because I only have four granddaughters, and my granddaughters came like back to back. And the oldest is my step granddaughter. She's the oldest. But my first granddaughter, she's five now. I can't believe it. She's 5 years old already. Okay, here you see the lace ruffle lace trim. And a huge shout out to Deb Hendricks, who has gifted me loads of lace trims spanning over a few years now. Thank you so much. Thank you kindly and humbly, my dear friend. It's all about the details for me, which is what made all the house purse look like a cottage in the country. I used yellow on this house purse bag. I usually don't use yellow, but it's what I had on hand. And this one went to my grandgirl named Willow, and it actually suited her really, really well. They all have such beautiful laces that made the doors ornate along with the window frames. Look at the pink one. I added the same yellow fabric for the door and windows that I used for the roof on the previous purse. They all are quite sturdy. Um, I love the way they all turned out. OMG, look at this pretty blue fabric. I used the fabric on this roof for the door and windows. The blue fabric reminds me of the 100% calico fabrics as bed sheets and pillowcases like from back in the day. I loved those, and they are awesome quality. I wanted to share these before they went to my grandgirls. So this was filmed before that transaction occurred. And I'm also thinking of doing kits, keeping in mind that you beautiful souls are a mature audience and I may need to use other trims. However, if you like it as is, let's have a conversation in the comment section and perhaps I can do both. I also want to share before this concludes this episode that these purses, these house purse bags were inspired by a YouTube channel. It starts with something brocante. I believe she's a French lady. She's a beautiful, sweet soul. And I tried looking for the video and I can't find it for the life of me. If anyone you know who I'm talking about, and I think you might, she also does miniatures. It's something brocante or brocante something. I cannot remember for the life of me. Um, Uh, Please, if you know, let me know so that I can put it in the description area. Um, and the kit that I want to put together, I want to include a Zoom class, a live class with me. Woo! Um, we can talk live and talk with each other, which would be wonderful. Um, it would be my first one, and I would love that very, very much. So, you know, let me know your thoughts in the comment area. Thank you so much for joining me in this moment that you're watching. I appreciate and receive your presence. Let share be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take good care, and may you have a peaceful and joyful heart. Sending love.